So this particular model that we're looking at has a UV map assigned, which indicates that this model has UVs. If we were to click and drag and create a shape, we see that basically everything inside of it has been just shaded the same color because there are no UVs attached to the cutter. In order to show this in action, we can ever scroll, bring back this cutter. If we were to just select it and press U and choose something like Smart Project or Smart Unwrap, there we go. We now have UVs on the cutter being transferred to the mesh. So whenever it comes to Boxcutter, underneath the behavior panel, there's an option for cutter UV where when enabled, you can actually have your cutters get UVs assigned to them at the time that you begin drawing the shapes, just allowing you to quickly cut UVs into meshes in the event that you're using UV coordinate based texturing. So sometimes this case may arise. However, it has been reported that it can affect speed in cases where it's not actually needed. So definitely use this option with caution, but just keep in mind that any time that you need to have UVs applied to your cutters, you are able to do that via the cutter UV toggle.